Bonjour, I hope you're having a great time. So in this session, on va étudier les verbes. Well, what do you mean by les verbes? You would have understood with the spelling. Verb is verbs, alright? We're going to learn some important verbs and then we'll have a dialogue along with that. These are the 4 most important verbs, according to me at least, so that you can begin your conversation. Voilà les 4 verbes qu'on va étudier aujourd'hui. So slowly you'll start understanding these sentences and you'll see me transitioning from anglais to français. The first verb is avoir. Avoir means to have. I have repeated about this verb so many times and so by now you know that it's very important. Être. Être means to be. Aller, to go. Faire, to do. Here we will be using les pronoms sujets. So if you haven't checked out that video, please do go check it out. Par exemple, you can say I like, he eats, you sing. So you see that there are so many pronoms sujets that comes into play. So I will explain it to you for one verb and it will be the same format you will follow in your schools and your colleges throughout, okay, for verbs. So j'ai, I have. Par exemple, j'ai une voiture. Tu as. Tu as is you have. Tu as du café. Next one, il a. He has. Il a 14 ans. Now here, interestingly, you see in English we say I am so many years old. But in French, it is I have so many years of age. So that's how you say it, okay? Elle a. She has. On a. On a means we have or one has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You have. Ils ont. They have. Elles ont. They have. Please note that il, elle and on will have the same conjugation of verbs. Similarly, il and elle in pluriel also will have the same conjugation. So this is a tip for you to remember. Let's move into verb être. Être means to be. So I am, you are, all this will come under être. Je suis, I am. Je suis étudiant or je suis étudiante. So you would say je suis étudiant if it's a male talking, and if it's a female, you would say je suis étudiante with an e added at the end. Tu es, you are. Il, elle, on est. Nous sommes indiens. Notice the liaison. Vous êtes. Ils sont, elles sont. Now remember in avoir it was ils ont, whereas here is ils sont and elles sont with an S sound. This is because you have 2 S's. So elle ends with the S and then sont also starts with the S. It's a similar effect like poison and poisson if you remember. Elles sont malades means they are sick. Whereas elles ont means they have. Voilà un petit dialogue. You would know most of these. We've done all these in Présentez-vous and a lot of other places. Quel âge as-tu? J'ai 20 ans. Vous êtes de quel pays? Now pays is new. Pays means country. Je suis de Mexique. Et vous? Je suis allemand. Allemand is German. Allemand is German. Le pays est Allemagne. Now again here you heard me use le verbe être. Le pays est Allemagne. Avec des liaisons, we can say le pays est Allemagne. The next verb, aller. Aller means to go. Je vais. Now you can create your own sentences like this one. Je vais à Paris. Tu vas. Il, elle, on va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils, elles vont. Ils vont à la piscine. You would have noticed that il sounds the same for singulier or pluriel. So how do you know if I'm talking about an individual or if I'm talking about a group? How do you know if it's il singulier or il pluriel? Well, that totally depends on the conjugation. In French, conjugaison. Il va à la piscine means I'm talking about an individual, singulier. If it's ils vont à la piscine, it's pluriel. The next verb, faire. Faire means to do. Here you can see that I've differentiated it as singulier and pluriel. Alright, so je, tu, il, elle, on. All these pronouns sujet are singulier, whereas nous, vous, il, elle are pluriel. Let's go into the conjugaison. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Now you can create your own sentences. So here are a few sentences. This is one of the formats you will see in your question papers and for your exams. Sometimes you will see the verbs along with it in brackets. Sometimes you won't. This is how you would conjugate the verbs. Alright, example, first one. Elle, être petite, right? So it's elle est petite. Elle est petite. Now try the others on your own. I will explain the meaning of the words that you don't know. And these are sentences you can use in your conversations. Elle, être intelligente, okay, which means they are intelligent. Now conjuguer le verbe être. Troisième, il faire des achats. He does some shopping. Quatrième, elle aller au supermarché. They go to the supermarket. Vous être fatigué. Fatigué means tired. So you are tired. Please conjugate it, okay? Sixième, nous avoir peur. Peur is fear. So in English you would say I am scared, right? But in French it would be I have fear. That's how you would say it. So I have. That's why you say avoir. Nous aller au cinéma. We go to the movies. Huitième, vous faire des études. Études is studies. Alright. Ninth and 10th is related, which is why we have put them together. Je, avoir faim. Faim is hunger. Again, in English, you would say, I am hungry. Now, remember that vowel and vowel will not stay together, so there has to be an apostrophe. Next one is tu, avoir soif. Soif is thirst. So, in English, you have I am hungry, I am thirsty. So, ideally, you would think it's être, right? But in French, it is I have hunger and I have thirst. So that's why you see avoir. Alright, try out these, and if you have any doubts, you can comment them below. I'll make sure I have the answers in the next session and also give you the answers for these questions as well. So bonne chance. Au revoir.